according to Muhammad in the Hadith and according to Allah in the Quran, we can read that Allah sent messengers to all nations in the tongue of their people. We can find this in chapter 14, ayah 4, Allah saying, "We never sent any messenger except in the language of his people." And in Musnad Ahmad, hadith number 21,257, when Muhammad was asked how many prophets were sent, Muhammad responded saying, Allah sent 124,000 prophets. Since both Allah and His Prophet confirm that Allah sent prophets to all nations in their tongue, let us read chapter 6, ayah 38. "And there is not an animal moving in the earth, nor a bird flying on its wings, but they are a nation like you." Since animals are a nation like my Muslim friends, does that mean Allah sent dogs and cats as prophets in the tongue of their nation as well, ya Muslimun? Interesting.